This is what they call packing light. Not. Good morning, guys. If you can call this morning, it's currently 4:06 and we are on our way to the airport.
There's only one person to blame the fact that we're up this early, because if it was my choice, we certainly wouldn't be up.
Mike would have booked the later flight for sure. We have a 7:30 AM flight from an airport that's not that close to us.
Reasoning behind being quite so early this morning?
So we get there on time.
I'm not gonna lie, I quite happily got there late this evening. Wouldn't have been an issue.
I just thought it would be easier with the baby, who actually, she's normally a great sleeper. I'm gonna turn this music off. She's normally an amazing sleeper. Tonight, she decided, she went down to sleep at about 7 to be fair, didn't she? And then she woke up again at like 10, whatever, that's fine, normal. Fed her, went straight back to sleep. Decided to wake up at 2:30, just like an hour before our alarm went off. You know when you're like, you're just an hour too soon, Bugsy, an hour too soon. But it's all good, she's asleep in the back. Turns out, like also that luggage I just showed you, that's just the half of it. Can you see all that? Hang on, I'll add some light to the situation. Yeah, it's a lot of luggage. A lot of luggage. We're going for 4 nights. The plus side of traveling with Mike is he comes prepared. Look at this. 4 croissants, 2 mini apple juices. Such a dream boat. It is madness in Stansted Airport right now. All the luggage. On a flight with a baby. So far so good. Mike's like holding the bill. This is what happens when you book an estate car and you get given a minivan. The guy was like, you got a lot of luggage there. I think you need a bigger vehicle. I mean, at least we're gonna be giving everyone from the wedding a ride home. Bugsy is traveling in style. She's got 6 seats all to herself. Van driver Mike in the front, loving life.
Tailgating. Who are you?
I'm feeling a bit smug right now that I stopped and got snacks in the airport. So we've got about an hour and a half drive. Got some rolls. The lady in the airport heated them up for me, so they're tasting great.
Legend.
Mumford & Sons on the radio. Let's do this.
Van drivers at the ready.
Italian countryside, here we come. Guys, these views are so epic. The Italian countryside is amazing. I had forgotten how much I love Italy, and we keep going past these amazing houses with like tree-lined driveways, and we're like, yes, yes, so nice. Now it's just trees, so you can't see anything. Do it on a bike. So epic. So we've just got to where we're staying and we've checked in, and this is the coolest place ever, guys. I'm going to give you a little tour. There's nobody else here yet. We're staying with some of my friends and then some of the bride's friends too. Basically, we're on top of a hill in the middle of nowhere in Italy, in this old, like, I don't, what would you even call it? Like it's a villa, but it's like a amazing, like they've basically like the whole little village, but we're in the main house, like on the top floor. It's kind of creepy, but amazing at the same time. This is our room. Mike is on the bed with a little one. So this is our room, and it's just so old school. So we came in and there were no lights on, and it was so creepy. This is like the main hallway, and then there's another bedroom in here. Look how old school it is. There's like, look at these candles. This reminds me of like Charles Dickens or something. There is actually electricity. I don't know why they have this, but when I came in I was like, oh my god, look at these, look. Like wash basins, but with no taps. So cool. And then there's like a little library corridor, another bedroom, which I think my friend Min's going to be in. So beautiful. So cool. And then there's like a little drawing room in here. How cool. And then if you look out the windows, we're like right on top of the hill. I think we're surrounded by trees, so I don't know how much you'll be able to see. But it's just so epic. There's a mosquito net, but look at that. It's like we've stepped back in time, and we have one problem. There is no kettle. So obviously we need to like boil water for the baby. So we're having to do it on the stove. Look at this kitchen. So old school. It's a good job we brought the Milton sterilizer and not an electric sterilizer. Or the microwave one, because there's no microwave either. These are the bathrooms. There's like a little shower room, and then this is attached to our bedroom. Look how old school this is. So great. I am so excited. And then back in here to Bugsy and Mike. Someone's done a poop in her nappy.
Don't think she has actually.
Do you not?
No.
Well, hello there guys. It is now our second day in Italy, and I didn't vlog last night because basically we're obviously here for a wedding and we've been doing stuff to do with the wedding, and I'm vlogging the trip but I'm not vlogging any of the wedding stuff because it's obviously like a private event of my friend, and like yeah, I don't think they'll want their wedding vlogged. Anyway, so I'm just vlogging like the bits of the trip that we're off doing different stuff. We're actually off to meet my parents now. We've been hanging out, helping set up, because the wedding's tomorrow, so we've been helping to set up like all the place names and lights and like bits and bobs and like for the reception and stuff. And now everyone else is chilling by the pool. We're off to see my mum and dad because they got here on Wednesday, actually before us, and they've been kind of like moseying around seeing Italy. I feel so congested right now, if you're wondering why I sound awful. I feel awful. It's like the worst timing ever to get poorly. I've also think I've got an eye infection, if you guys can see this eye is really red. It's basically just like the worst timing ever, but it's fine. I love a mint, thanks very much. Everyone loves a polo. Yeah, so we're off. My mum.
Why the polo?
Why? Who came up with that? But it's ingenious because it's the trade.
It's ingenious because there's a cost saving effect. So it means that you have less mint and they can charge the same amount of money.
Good shout. Well done. Sharp. Nicely observed, Mike. So we are now.
Are you biting already?
Yeah.
What the hell? How can you bite it in that quick? It's like rock solid.
Yeah.
Oh, does that not break your teeth?
No.
Your little teeth aren't made of glass.
That's how I eat my polos. My mum, no handbrake us, we're like on a mountain. Look how windy this road is.
And gravel tracking.
And it is gravel. We just go straight off the edge. So I just spoke to my mum and she was trying to give us directions for the hotel and her hotel, and she's like, so drive to the centre of this village, park in the main car park, and then whistle. Underneath a
castle, man.
And I was like, what's the village called? She was like, something Bagney. I was like, they are the most useless directions I've ever heard in my life. Look how beautiful this is, guys. This is the local town where my parents are staying. So unbelievably stunning. So nice. They're off without me, look. Huh. It's one man and his buggy. My hero. Looking like a very thoroughly modern man here, Mike.
Those bow and arrows and guns with like the sticky things as a kid in Spain.
Oh, the plastic ones.
Every time.
I also want to show everybody, look at Mike's baby bag. So this is the new addition to our baby bag slash travel setup. Modern man.
Right, modern man.
It's the man-friendly Tiber and Marl rucksack. I actually like having a rucksack though, because you just throw it on your shoulder.
I might steal it from my
And you can, I like hook it on here as well.
I might just steal it from motorbike so she can't have it.
Mum and Dad been shopping. What have you been buying in there?
I'm not gonna lie, I think that's a bit on the small side, guys.
Mum and I just got a little bit distracted in an antique jewellery shop, trying to convince me to buy things.
No
you
purchases.
Crazy cat, no purchases. Look at my dad and Mike sitting on this bench. 2 men and a baby. Super cute. Good morning, guys. I thought I would do a bit of an update this morning because I'm probably not going to see you again today, because today is the day of the wedding. Little one is just on the bed behind me making all sorts of noise, but it is a beautiful day. If you guys can just about see, it's a little bit hazy, but there's a beautiful valley over here that you can see, and the wedding itself is taking place. I don't know if you'll be able to see out here, you won't, but the tables are like just round there. It's very, very exciting. The sun is out, and I'll speak to you guys tomorrow for the day after. But yeah, I'm really excited. We're going off-road on our way out for dinner. Mike decided, great idea, to take a van and a baby and a car full of people off-road.
Look at this last bit. Look at this.
I'm not impressed with this.
Towers required, guys, just to let you know.
Min's here.
A bit bumpy.
Liz is here, Jess is here in the back. Mike and Duncan at the front, leading us on a literal road. Like, where are we actually? This is not fun.
We're off to see
Like, this kind of thing makes me very, very nervous about life. We're on top of
Look at that,
a mountain, basically. Oh my
You're
god.
thinking that's exactly the same thing.
Min's waiting to be in the vlog. It's so pretty.
Get your tods in it.
Everyone needs to look at Min's shoes. Min, will you show us your shoes? Wait, actually probably not in the dark corridor. These are my shoes.
Looking in a dark room.
Min's got some really cool hairy shoes on.
The hairy shoes.
The hairy shoes. And this is this called Sartiano? I think it is. Beautiful. I don't know if it's left or right from here. I'm definitely more out of breath than I should be for walking up those stairs. Oh, here we go, this is where we're going. Chiostro Cennini. This is where we're going for dinner, guys. How beautiful is this? Found it on the internet? Yes, please. Guys, this is what happens when you come on holiday with Mike. He just leaves you behind. Off he goes. Takes the baby, just wheels himself off. Me and Lissy left at the back. Have you had a nice evening?
I've had a lovely evening. I had some great ravioli. And I had some excellent wine, which is more important.
And we're now sauntering back to the car.
Yeah.
I don't want to go home. I've had the best weekend ever.
It's been lovely.
So lovely. Look at this. So magical.
It's properly beautiful.
It's so quiet as well. It's one of the quietest places I've ever visited, I think. In terms of like 0 tourists. I know it's May, but we're just like, all of the towns around here are absolutely tiny, and there's just like, they're so quiet and all the locals are so friendly. Love it. This is watching your friends try to disassemble your buggy when they don't have kids or even the same kind of buggy.
Hang on.
Lissy does this every time. I know how to do it.
No,
I know how to do this.
That's the brake. It's gonna break it.
It's gonna be some kind of.
Do you want me to, would you like me to step in yet? I love the manly approach to everything. It's like shake it really hard.
It's gonna be no,
Oh, here comes Mike.
No, Mike, we can do it without you.
Hang on, where's the button? I pressed that button.
I pressed it. Oh, we.
Look, even Mike. Now on our way. Apparently this is the same road, but it doesn't look like it. I'm scared.
It's alright, we've only got.
This is
like
really
3/4
scary.
mile. It's nice and flat.
I want
as
to
well.
go home.
So,
Way home. No window. Good God, my eyes are red. Let's not look at my eyes right now. So we got home about 5 hours ago. I've had a shower, got into my PJs, I've done the washing, and I've started unpacking. This is the current situation around me. River has literally been screaming for the past hour and a half, 2 hours, and she's just gone to sleep. Thank goodness. She was an angel on the flight though, absolutely fine the whole flight. She just decided that this evening she would throw down, but it's all good. That's gonna be it for this vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's been a little bit of a sneak peek into our weekend in Italy. We had such a lovely time, and I wanted to share some of it with you all, but obviously because it was a wedding we couldn't share everything, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless, and we will see you next time. Goodbye. I need to get some sleep, big time.